Stepn, GMT, certainly is a coin that in every practical sense is at present exchanged at $0.151243 per unit, with the market capitalization of $179,990,009, that by and large makes it a low-position cryptographic money in a kind of huge manner. Computerized resources like Stepn basically have proactively turned into the point of convergence of consideration for essentially retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for genuinely huge institutional financial backers, who in a real sense see Stepn and the remainder of digital currencies as a by and large compelling, explicitly support against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a sort of enormous manner. In this way, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto for the most part is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any dealer and financial backer, who certainly needs to, in a real sense, develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which is genuinely huge. In any case, with it sort of comes the need to intently really follow the improvements on the express market, to grasp what is going on, and have some feeling representing things to come, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. This Stepn cost expectation model for the most part was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, especially track down the scarcely the best coins or tokens to by and large put resources into, and in a real sense, keep the value bend developing, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to digging into the overall Stepn examination and cost expectation, we might want to basically help you to remember the kind of fundamental principles of digital currency exchanging and venture, which generally is genuinely critical. So, we should zero in on the Stepn market, its ongoing standings, as well as the midterm and really long-haul cost expectation that truly depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX. For your data, the sort of positioning of each and every cryptographic money generally is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and explicitly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in a significant manner. Likewise, to especially get a vastly improved handle of the market circumstance and basically grasp the sort of broad course of the pattern, or to by and large enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise essential to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they fundamentally thought. Yesterday, on September 21st, the cost of Stepn remained at $0.154620 at the end of the especially day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.85% distinction when contrasted with the really current cost, 7 days prior, on September 15th. The Stepn market in a real sense remained at $0.151377 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. As the outcome, the cost basically moved by 0%, corresponding to its sort of present standing. A month prior, on August 22, Stepn in every practical sense was valued at $0.165391, which generally harmonized with our cost expectation for that in every practical sense, specific period in an unpretentious way. Contrasted with the current place of Stepn, it addresses of 8.55% cost move in a significant manner when it in a real sense comes to digital currencies. Market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer, or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its for the most part generally speaking ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a vital marker to really be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which by and large is genuinely critical. It is determined by duplicating the extremely complete number of coins that in a real sense are right now available for use, circling supply, by the exceptionally current cost of Stepn, which, as currently referenced, by most certainly remains at $0.151243, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Considering that equation, we basically have determined the essentially current market capitalization of Stepn to generally be at $179,990,009, which legitimizes its place as the 93rd coin among this fundamentally present on the digital money market, which explicitly is very huge. Yesterday, on September 21st, the market capitalization of Stepn in a real sense remained at $183,833,833. Keep going week. On September 15th, the aggregate sum of capital dedicated to Stepn generally was laid out at $179,849,443. The information from a month prior, enrolled on August 22, shows that Stepn explicitly had a market capitalization of $181,405,263 in an unobtrusive manner. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that especially have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and especially are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders freezing wallets. In a kind of significant manner, the complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that generally have been scorched, put unavailable for general use. To keep a sound expansion rate in a genuinely enormous manner, it can in every practical sense be contrasted with the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that truly is public on the financial exchange in a truly significant manner. The extremely all-out supply of Stepn as of now stands at 5,413,041,954 GMT, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile is the most normally involved really metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which by and large is genuinely critical. It relates with the particularly the best estimate of the very generally number of coins that basically are public on digital money trades and add to their liquidity in an unpretentious manner. Their volume doesn't especially incorporate the coins that in every practical sense are vested, marked in truly shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or in every way that really matters, put unavailable for general use in a quite huge manner. The flowing stockpile is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange, or so they truly thought. At this moment, the circling supply of Stepn in a real sense is assessed at 190,075,264 GMT in a for the most part huge manner. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one generally with deciding better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that, as per the guidelines of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or solidifications frequently in a real sense happen at the cost levels that basically are joined by generally especially high volume, since those for the most part are the volumes where large cash by and large had come into explicitly play in an unpretentious manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Stepn market basically was as per the following. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Stepn market generally added up to $13,111,787 in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on September 21st,